Hello, Pokebot. My name is Daniel Anatha. I love your videos, but I'm stuck trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. As you can tell, I have pretty much all the way done, and I'm stuck down to the last two sets. I can't get these sides to go to the corresponding spots. I've done the algorithm up right, up and right, left and right, up right and right, up and right and left, numerous of times on each corners, etc. And then when I try to move on to the next step, I have pieces that are on the opposite sides that do not belong to each other. So say if I want to solve this part, it'll be in the wrong spot and you'll get to over here. Where it needs to be over here, if you understand what I'm talking about.